I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor of the CME Group reporting on the livestock market. Today cattle was lower. Larger supplies are still weighing on futures that's going to affect the physical prices. The recent high in beef also encouraged a little bit of selling, and that's really pressured the market a little bit lower. Overall, if you look over the last number of months, we're still like kind of in this medium channel. We've been lower a number of months ago, but we're actually not there yet, even though we're a little bit lower today. We just have to watch it very closely. There has been a little bit of pressure on the market. But one good news to look at in the beef prices is that the feeder cattle was up. It was up today. So we have it as mixed, really, because we traded on the upside and the downside. But there is, that bearish on-feed report really pressured the market a lot. But demand is expected to improve, so certainly domestically. With that being said, I think that we can get another swing back into the market. Traders are just like waiting to get a little bit more follow-through buying. There has been some worries just because of everything that's going on geopolitically. We have to watch that closely. A lot of saber rattling in the White House, and that makes it very difficult for traders or let's say the big commercials to come in and start to move this market. And I think that that is holding a lot of funds, a lot of fund managers at bay and trying to not get into these commodity markets. But at some point in time, they're going to step in, and we're going to see these markets getting a lot more volatile. And I think that there's going to be a lot more opportunities to be had once we get things rolling. And now another thing to look at is that hogs, finally we got a rebound. They've been the most vulnerable to all the tariff challenges that we've had. The physical market really ticked up, and traders are trying to keep up with the hog prices, and they're starting to move up a little bit, even though our supplies are starting to grow a little bit. Bargain hunters are stepping in, starting to bid up a little bit. We still are looking good to Mexico, in spite of the fact that there are tariffs there. We still have the best value for Mexico to kind of buy from us. Of course, we're going to have our challenges with China as well around the world. I think everyone's like looking to see what everybody else is doing before they step in to try to buy any of our products, and it's giving some of our ranchers, some of our pork producers a little bit of a challenge. But we're going to watch it closely to see what we can see if we can garner a little bit of support to get this market completely off the ground. It did not hit a big low even yesterday, but right now we're off the ground pretty good and had a very nice rebound today. So we're looking for that for the entire livestock complex. So we'll see if we can find that tomorrow. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.